Hello class, Mr. Garino here. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your addresses to your Weave moved postcard. One of the best ways to do it is to set up a list of addresses in Microsoft Excel. So here I have a file which I'm going to give to you, and you can use this for your addresses. But just to see how simple it is, I set up my first row to be my headings with the names that you would use, or we call these field names. So first name, last name, right? That's the name of the field, and then here's the actual information. So I've given you 10 names. I want you to add 2 more. So over here we put, so you put in something, whatever you want to make up. James Smith, 1 Bleecker Street, Harrison, New Jersey, 07029. And make him another one. Todd, I don't know why this popped into my head, Todd Gurley, 15 Davis Avenue, Harrison, no space because we hit tab, and then New Jersey, then you hit tab to get to the next one, 07029. Now notice we do have a little problem here with the 07029 because Excel is thinking it's a number, but really it's just text. We want the O in the front. So we have to go over here to Format Cells, change it from General, tell it it's text, say OK. And now see how it moved it to the left because it no longer thinks it's a number. So you got to type it again, and then the O will stay. And then you could reformat this, or if you remember, if you copy this and then paste it over here, it not only pastes the value but all the formatting, meaning it'll make this cell text and have the O in front of the 7029. Where's paste? Paste. There we go. Okay. So now that you've added 2 records, that's what they call them, records. So each line of data is called a record. Now we're going to save it. And I named mine mailmerge address list. And I'm saving it in the folder where I put my Weave moved postcard. Doesn't have to be, but it's good to put it there so you can find it. Okay, so now I'm going to go to Microsoft Publisher. And I didn't save my postcard last time when I made it. I should have, but it's easy enough to recreate. Just click here or double click and it puts all my information in there. I have We've Moved, a little clipboard here. I'm Dunkin' Donuts, got my email, my phone, my fax. This might be my old address. I can't remember. I think it is. So really here you should put your new address. 270 Smith Street, Bloomfield, New Jersey, 07003. Just made that up. And then over here you were supposed to put something like please come visit us at our new awesome location that you will absolutely love. That's, I'm just being silly. But you could say something like that. Let's say you'll love it because it's bigger, it's better, we did it for you, our customers, we want to make you happy. And when are we going to be there? Well, we'll make that, we're already there. We just moved, first of the year, January 2nd, 2018. Okay, so that's how your front should look, something like that. And the back, it has the new address, Dunkin' Donuts, but over here we want to put those addresses, and we're going to print out tens, hundreds, thousands of these postcards, mail them out to all our customers. Best way to do it, we don't want to type out 500 addresses, but if you have them all in a list, and everybody uses a computer nowadays, so if you have customers somewhere in some computer system somewhere, you have a list of your customers that you can go get from someone, from the computer guy, and drop them in here so that they can be mailed out, so you don't have to do any typing. So you're going to go to mailings and select recipients, and then we're not going to type a new list, we already have one. Use existing list, go to your folder, which my folder is where I save all my school stuff, and you guys go to your documents and then find it wherever you saved it. So I got a We've Moved postcard folder. Here's my address list. I click open. It says sheet 1, yada yada, that good stuff. This stays checked. First row of data contains column headers, meaning the word first name is not an actual person's name. That's just the header of the column. It's going to become the field name when we do that. So that's why it's good to have in your Excel spreadsheet, in the very first row, the names of the columns become the name of the fields. And so we click OK, and you'll see right here, see it says last name, first name, address, city. So those are our fields, and then here's all the different people. The ones we had to begin with, and then the ones we typed in, or that you guys are going to type in. You could do different types of sorting, you could filter, you could uncheck if you don't want one to go to this guy, but for the most part, it doesn't matter how you print them out because they're all just going in the mail, and you're going to send them to everyone, so just click OK. And it's like, alright, what did I do? Well, you really didn't do anything. They go over here. We've just linked the two files together. So this you have to delete, and then you go over here to Insert Merge Field. And the first thing you want is the first name. And then we want the last name, but in between a first name and the last name there's a space. So we put a space. And then we say last name. And then we hit enter because we're going to format it to look like an address would look. So we got address, or an addressed label, addressed postcard would look. And then on the next line goes city with a comma and then a space, that's what's normal. And then state, and then space, space, and then zip code. These are the field names. If you want to see the actual data, you go up here to preview results, and here's all your names. And the two we added at the end. Okay, so doing a mail merge with a postcard is really that simple. That's all you have to do. We're not actually going to print these, but in real life, because we don't want to print these for no reason, but in real life you would have postcard paper, maybe with built-in stamps. You would put these in the printer, it would print double-sided, print out several hundred, throw them in the mail, away they go. All your customers know that you've moved. Very nice little project. Have fun. Thank you.